Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Lusophonia Games to be held from November 2nd, 2013 in Goa. Akolop General Body scrap futsal. Pin full trust on Goa Olympic Association and state government to pull off games in time. Alina Saldana hopeful to get berth in BJP-led government, all set to face challenge, ready to take ahead jobs left by Mathani amidst locals at Kasauli. Around 450 youth claim of being duped by a fake recruitment agency. Complaint filed at crime branch. Youth jobless even after paying sums of 40 to 70,000 rupees. State-run oil marketing companies defer petrol price hike. Aviation turbine fuel price hiked by 3%. Auto LPG price goes up by 6 rupees. Oil companies demands cut in excise duty on petrol. And Salgaonkar Sports Club grabbed crucial 3 points against Air India in I-League, jumped to third in standings. Sporting Club defeats Shillong Lajong by 1-0. And now the news in detail. The Lusophonia Games 2013 will commence from 2nd November to 10th November 2013 in Goa. The Akolop Core Committee along with Goa Olympic Association informed media after their general body meet on Saturday. However, futsal has been axed from the list of sporting events to be hosted in Goa due to a lack of infrastructure. Akolop has expressed full trust and faith that the games and infrastructure will be readied in time. 12 countries will participate in the games. On a realistic note, the BJP-led government have a mammoth task on hand. This was to be Akolop's final meet in the state on their second visit to Goa in the build-up to the Lusophonia Games to be hosted in Goa. A total of 12 countries are set to tour India in around 18 months from now to participate in 9 sports disciplines termed the Lusophonia Games.
After the visit to Goa, this morning we had the meeting of the Akolop, the Assembly. They have approved the dates when the third Lusophonia Games will be held in Goa. From 2nd November to 10th November 2013, the games will be held in Goa. According to the proposal given by the Goa Olympic Association, the games will be held in the following disciplines. In all, 9 disciplines: athletics, basketball, wushu, football, judo,
tennis mesa,
table tennis,
taekwondo,
volleyball,
praia.
and beach volleyball.
Conjunto de documentos referentes a
There was a need to establish a calendar of events and actions to be taken, for which a technical committee would come and verify whether the works are being carried out according to this plan. So further to check and verify whether all these things are being done, the technical manual will have to be produced, so also with all the other documents, and this will have to be sent in time at the time of the Assembly General, which will be held in Lisbon in July. We have full confidence, and we have reiterated once again today that we have full confidence that the government, along with all the other connected agencies, will deliver the games in November 2013.
para a organização dos jogos, do terceiro jogo da Lusofonia, de 2
Our reporter Samir Bhatt with sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Kavalosi. Wife of Mathani, Alina Saldana, might be the successor in the BJP-led government. Alina has agreed to take up the challenge and to complete the jobs left by Mathani. There is a demand from locals to induct Alina into the cabinet. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had sent his emissary to the office of late Tourism Minister in Kansauli on Sunday to meet and know the grievances of the people.
Kuttadi constituency will face an assembly by-poll within next 6 months. Alina Saldana, a lone successor of Mathani, has agreed to take up the works in Kuttadi constituency. Kansauli residents said that Alina has assured to follow the footsteps and maintain ideals of her late husband. Alina has decided to take over the responsibility on the request of residents of Kansauli.
Due to the tragic loss of Mathani Saldana, the Portaling constituency people and supporters of Mathani have met my wife of Mathani and conceived that she will be taking the Portaling term.
Tourism Minister Mathani Saldana had passed away after a severe heart attack on March 21st. After Mathani, Alina is the ray of hope for the people of Kansauli. Our reporter from Kansauli, Surendra Madkekar.
Around 450 Goan youth have complained of being duped by a fake recruitment agency. These youth had applied for jobs in Afghanistan but are left out jobless even after paying huge fees of around 40 to 70,000 rupees for a medical examination and other services. They gathered outside Sanghi Medical Centre Private Limited near Panji Market on Saturday but were brought at Panjim police station on the complaint of the representatives from the medical centre.
Hundreds of candidates had applied for jobs in Afghanistan through advertisement in a local newspaper. The advertisement published was for various posts like waiter, room boy, laundryman, cleaner, driver, etc. The candidates, on realizing that they were cheated, filed a complaint in crime branch against recruitment agency on March 26th. Goa Citizens Welfare Trust Secretary Ernesto Moraes says that medical centers should verify whether the recruiting agency is fake or genuine.
Medical centeran check करपा जाय ते recruitment agents company fake or genuine. हे पहिले company existing जाल्यार. Number 2 तेमचो पदाय licenses आहाल्यार because these jobs were for Afghanistan. Whether the company is having genuine licenses, तेन्ना तेमी फुडें वचपाचें medical करपाक. तेमी हें कांयच व्हेरीफाय करूंक ना अशें आमकां दिसता आमकां कितें रिकॉर्ड मेळटा ते प्रमाणे आनी तेमी झपकोन स्टार्ट मेडिकल स्टार्ट केले भुरग्यां कडेन 9,000 घेतले मेडिकल स्टार्ट कोश्ट म्हणून सुद्दां आनी तांकां पयशे तुमी घेता 9,000 तुमी रेसिट दियाय न्हू तुमी रेसिट कित्याक दिवपाक भिताले मागीर ते थोड्या भुरग्यांनी तांकां परते परते पावट मारून मागून तांकां थोड्यांक रेसिट दिले सगळ्यांक थोड्यांक रेसिट दिवंक ना हिंगा एक आमकां मातशें दुबाव माता नंबर 3 म्हळ्यार 9,000 कित्याक असले मेडिकल करपाक म्हाका दिसता ओडीस 3,000 एक दोन 4 आनी 4,500 आसूंक जाय हेर देखून मेडिकल आमी चॅक केलां पूण 9,000 कोण घेना हे भाशेन ते 9,000 खंयचे गेले खंयचे
See now basically the boys had entered the premises. So we have informed the authorities that we are cooperating and the Sanghi Medical Institute is not into this kind of fraud business and all. We are into the proper business for last 25 years and we are being duly represented. We have branches all over the India and whatever is needful, whatever is in terms of law we will do and we will cooperate with all kind of investigation agencies.
Our reporter from Panji, Devendra Gaonkar, with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.